Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you how you can change the password of Genshin Impact account of yours. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial of how you can change the password. So please watch the video till the very end to learn how you can do it. So without any delay, let's begin. For that, first of all, open any browser on your PC and open a new tab. Then on the search bar, you type in GenshinImpact.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Genshin Impact. Here you need to tap on download option. This will direct you to the another page of the Genshin Impact account. Genshin Impact web page. Here you click on the login on the top right corner. Then you provide your email address for the login details and type in the password. Then click on login. Here you need to go through the verification process. Here you just need to slide the piece to its correct position and leave it. With this, verification will get completed and you will get logged in into your account. Here you can see you're at your account page right now. Inside here you click on account. This will direct you to the another page of the Genshin Impact. Here to make the changes you need to provide the account credential again. Type in your password. Click on login. Go through the verification process, choose the items on its correct order and click on OK. With this, you will be directed to your account login information page. Here you need to click on the account security settings from the menu. Inside these settings, you click on the change password option over here. Click on switch. Before that, you need to make the email verification for making the changes. Here, you click on send code and a verification code will be sent to the email address. You need to copy the code and paste it on this empty text field. Now I'm going to click on send code and again some verification process. Click on OK. As you can see, a code has been sent and you need to copy that code within a 60-second of time period. You can see I have logged in into my account and here's my code for the verification. I'm gonna copy this code and paste it on this empty text field over here and then click on next. Now you will be able to make a new password change in your account. I'm gonna type in my new password now. For confirming, I'm going to retype the password just to make sure that I have typed in the correct password. Now click on confirm. And with this, your password for the Genshin Impact is completed and the process is successful. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.